the pressure of a tyre is 32 pounds per square inch. Given that 1 pound is 0.4536 kilograms and 1 inch is 2.54 centimetres, work out the pressure in grams per square centimetre. So let's just set everything out as a ratio to start with. So we've got 32 pounds is 1 inch squared. And that's because it says square inch. So I can't actually convert that into centimetres at the moment because I need to figure out, well, how many inches squared are there in centimetres squared. So let's just have a look at this. So we've got 1 inch times 1 inch would give me 1 inch squared. If I use exactly the same square, so I'm going to copy it, so it's exactly the same size, I'm going to rub out the units in the middle, because I want to know what this is in centimetres squared. So we know that 1 inch is equivalent to 2.54 centimetres. So the area of that square is going to be 2.54 squared. So that's 6.4516 centimetres squared. So 1 inch squared is actually this number here. So I can change that in my ratio now. So 1 inch squared is actually 6.4516 centimetres squared. And that's still for £32. I'm just putting P for pounds. So I then want to change it to grams. Let's change the kilograms here to grams first. So I know to get from kilograms to grams, well, there's 1 kilogram is 1,000 grams. So I know I need to times by 1,000. So let's times this by 1,000. So 0.4536 times 1,000. And I get 453.6. And that is in grams. Okay. Well, at the moment we're dealing with £32. So let's get down to £1 on this side by dividing by 32 here. So you keep setting it out like a ratio, which means I need to divide by 32 here. So 6.4516 divided by 32, and I get 0.2016125. I'm going to keep that on my calculator in case I need it in a bit. Now, that's for £1. And we know that £1 is 453.6 grams. So I'm going to change the £1 for 453.6 grams is 0.2016125. Now what I want is grams per square centimetre. Remember, this was centimetres squared, this was centimetres squared. Now I just want 1 centimetre squared. Now to get that I need to divide this 0.2016125 by itself. So I'm dividing by 0.2016125 on that side. I need to divide that on this side as well, and luckily I kept that on my calculator, so now I can just press answer. So I can press 453.6 divided by answer, and it'll give me 2249.8605. So my answer is 2249.8605 per 1 centimetre squared. So here, 2249.8605 per per centimetre squared. Sorry, that's grams per centimetre squared.